Everybody, welcome to the shop. This is Keith from Flarespace, and today we're going to be talking about how you insulate the inside of the flares. I get this question quite a bit, and so I thought I'd put together a little video to show you how we do it and the materials you receive when we send them to you. Okay, to get started here, I am going to just trim off the edge of this. You can see I've got it started. I'm just trying to get to a more manageable size of material. You just go ahead and spray the flare, spray it fairly generously with the glue, and I'm just going to spray this end here so that I can press the foam back into place. Okay, so I laid the material out across the flare, and now I'm just going to trim it here along the edge. You can see I got it started. Actually, it's just a wonky cut, but it's okay because the trim ring is going to fit right in here, you know, right up against here. You're never going to see this edge. So don't even worry about it, it's covered by the trim ring. Here's the finished product. We have a set of 144 flares that have been insulated and then covered with the Gray Mix Marathon fabric. And I think they turned out pretty great.